Hello, I wanted to show you two new supported spindles that I made using our wood lathe. The first is a cherry supported spindle. It has a center waist. You may have also seen these referred to as a goddess spindle because it comes out, comes back in at a waist, and comes back out at the hips. I'm currently spinning cotton on this spindle. It is a nice fast spinner, which is good for cotton. You just give it a flick, draft out your cotton to get enough twist in it, and then wind it on. As an example, this is one flick. So, nice long spin. So that's the first one. The second one, I was actually going for a heavier spindle, and I definitely got it. This is in maple. Has a much broader tip at the bottom compared to the cherry spindle, and a broader tip at the top as well. This one does spin a lot slower. For example, without anything on it, that's it. It's going to be more suited for wool fibers or anything with a longer staple than the cotton, which normally runs between 3/4 to an inch long. So I would probably go with something more like a BFL, with something with maybe a 3 or 4 inch staple that would work better on this type of spindle. Now, given the weight, it should be easier to spin, but as you can see, needs a little bit of fine-tuning yet. So that's the second spindle. In comparison, the maple spindle is a little taller. This runs about 22.5 grams. I'm not sure what the cherry one weighs. I didn't actually weigh it before I started spinning the cotton on it because I was excited to give it a shot. So that is it for the spindles. My next spindles will probably be made of either walnut or purple heart. That's the two other woods that I have currently waiting downstairs waiting for the lathe. And I will come back and show you how those turn out. I'm hoping to have something a little bit more like my cherry spindle by the time I get this full, so I'll have something to put a second ply of this cotton on. So thank you, and I hope that was interesting. Thanks.